Okay, so I'm going to be making a video about this comment on my drawing of Black Retail. First, of Vocaloids don't have canon races or skin tones, so you can make them any race or skin tones. But Tiana is a character that has a canon race and skin tone, and also they said the same thing about the Doki. Doki Literature Club girls, because they don't have a canon race. So I did some research, and which it is okay to have headcanons on their race and skin tone, but if you have an opinion on it, it's okay, because some people say it's wrong and some people say it's alright. But the Doki Doki have canon lore and story, so putting them next to the Vocaloids that don't have any canon lore is a bit different. Remy signing off.